Yo, YouTube, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Press underscore dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. You understand? So, guys, I've noticed that there are so many factors and there are so many things that are causing road accidents in the most famous road here in Harare, Zimbabwe, which is the SEKE road. You understand? There are so many accidents that are taking place in SEKE road. Each and every day we are hearing pane rora tena, pane mota yabeuka. For the likes of kubva paitika accident yaklema 17 lives nevanhu muSEKE road.
I was shocked nenyaya yanga yandirwadza nekuti ndaifanira kuti ndinge ndichikwira kombi izvi ndine zvinhu zvangu zvaifanira vachigwanyika, so ndatoti asiya zvinhu zvangu ndozotera kombi inotera. Saka ndazokwira next kombi ndachazondikachamadza ndechekuti ndazoona kombi yanga iri pamberi pangu yaifanonditakura tabva water apapo pachimbomuka huruva nekuti wanga usingakwanisi kuona zvinhu zvanga zviri kuitika mukati mehuruva. Pachipera mhute ndo pandaona traki rakarara pamusoro pekombi, asi traki iranga rati nachi crankshaft ndo yanga yakarembera pasi. So chitiko chiri kundirwadza pakuti mame neshamwari yangu nemudzimai wake nemwana wake, mhuri yeZimbabwe ndiri kurwadziwa.
People, they are dying each and every day, and I feel like there's something that needs to be done to stop this. Okay, so according to my research, according to the information that I gather yandesaba nzvimbo, chinhu chiri kukonzera maaccidents muSEKE road ndeichichi. So hachisi chinhu one, but zvinhu zvakawanda zvinoda kugadziriswa. Chekutangisisa hapana zviri kukonzera. Chiri kukonzera chekutangisisa tisu madrivers, reckless driving chaicho. Chekutangisisa, what I noticed is Zimbabweans we lack exposure. Like as Zimbabweans we lack exposure. Tikangoona karodi kakanaka, we need to speed. If kune madrivers emuZimbabwe makambodriva kunzvimbo dzakaita ngana South Africa, nzvimbo dzakaita ngana Zambia, they have exposure, so they know road yakanaka is just like a normal thing. They don't speed, they don't run kutonge ameno zvimwe zvinhu. So we are overspeeding ndochekutanga as drivers, reckless driving. Chechi 2, drink and driving. Chechi 3, we are not following mitemo yepanzira, because especially usiku. Today I was driving to to Wildlife, and I was driving there around 4 a.m. I was facing mota dzanchibva kuChitumbiza ini ndichienda ikoko. Like everyone who was coming from Chitumbiza was not dipping their lights, because why? I don't know why. But kusatogona drive around outside ikoko anochi. So that's what we call a reckless driving. There's no ways that you expect to live long kana uchita reckless driving. Imagine waface kwayo, like for here an example, you see this light ne, I'm holding this light ne. Okay, can you see me? You can't see me, right? You can't see me. Thank you. This is a valid, or this is a very good example. Yes, zviri muSEKE road. The drivers, they are flashing their lights. You walk a flash, so which means what I say, walk down road. Do check tangisisa. Check 2. There's pavements in muSEKE road, but those pavements at night you won't be able to see them because are dark. Like literally they are dark. You can't even identify with the pavement road. You end up watobuda road, especially now that you are flash on a driver and you are driving wakenda decide rarikuba. If you are flashed kumeso kwangu unotoona rima chadzimira, there's no ways that you're gonna see kuti chiri kuitika zvikupa nekupi zvichena nekupi. So that's the other reason they need to put my pavements mahomba yakatonga yakasvika patravelers ekuti anosvikira muno memadrivers, so that mota dzikabuda muroad hadzichakwanisi kunosangana neoncoming, and also hadzichakwanisi kunobheuka dzinobatwa nezvimapavement zvemaside mirrors ezvo. If they can't afford to do that, or if they can't do that, they need to paint the pavements in white color so that they will be identical. This way. I mean, they will, we as drivers will be able to identify them road rutangira pachibva ichiperapa, so that if they are white or come flash on a light and no reflector, and you will be able to notice and to see them. That's the other thing. The other thing who stop these things is government. They need to put some speed bumps, like after every 20 meters speed bump, after every 20 meters speed bump, after every 20 meters speed bump. Because like, what's that? It's like flat road. You know to go for it. I need to speed, I need to rush, because you know what you're wrong. Everything is fine, and you end up losing control. You see, so my speed arms, they need to put those things so that my drivers, they will behave and they will reduce their speed. You see, and the other thing, if it's possible, they need to ban my taxis like my combis here, and they need to groom yaso kuti munhu unge uri able kudriver, you have to have defensive driving. Kombi inofanira kunge yakarejiswa zvimwe zvipoto kuti atosevhisa kwemota chaiteko zvimwe zvimota zvatoko namarodza zviri kukonzeresa matragic accidents asingaite kunyanya munana SEKE road imomo. You see, so this is what it needs to be happen. So the other thing is according, I don't want to do politics or I don't want to talk about politics, but zvimwe zviri kutaurwa according kune vanhu zvavari kufunga oro zviri kubvawo kune rimwe bato remapato ari muno muZimbabwe zviri kunzi izvo ichi chava chiratidzo chekuti midzimu yatsamwa ichafari neutongi huripo. Handiti hangu zvepolitics, but ndingori mutauri ari kutaura zvaari kuferefeta acho hanzi saka midzimu iri kuzoratidza kuti haichafari nebato riri kutonga, saka yakuzviratidza through kutora upenyu hwevanhu. Handisingazivi guys kana muchivimbo muchivanhu, ini nangu handina zvandinovimba mazviri, handina side randinotora, asi ndingori mupi wenhau kwamuri mimi. Hanzi midzimu inozoratidza kuti haichada bato riri kutonga through kutora upenyu hwevanhu. And also vamwe vari kuti pakafira vanhu vakawanda, saka ingozi pada kunoitwa kunonzi cleansing, panocheneswa, panoitwa zvematare zvekupira doro kuita se. And then I don't know if you guys know about that info, but yeah, those at the last time the churches vakaenda ikoko vakanobatsirana pamwe chete, and they did a ceremony rekuchenesa ipapo vachinamatira nzvimbo vachiita se this and that, so that the place will be nice and blessed. But in what I think is the road needs to be closed, like literal closed. Yes, because this road is no longer working. It's better that people vashanze road yekwenda kunana Ivans uko voshanza road iyoyo is better, because like kusumuka kuruita mhepo dzacho dzakawandisa. And the other thing is we should not blame mhepo. So nambotaura kuti as drivers you need to be very extra careful when driving your vehicles, because if you do reckless driving it will not end well, you see. So I guess that was the news dziriko. We heard also kuti after that accident yakatora vanhu 17 lives apanozomomira kuti kama accidents pano ipapo. Each and every day we are hearing kuti pakaita accident. After papera kanguva pane kanga mota futi kakapeuka ipapo. After as I'm speaking right now usiku wanhasi pane imwe zvakare mota yekudrive school ipapo yaita accident zvakare. All the info that I'm getting it from DJ Ola 7. Go and check there. I'm gonna put some of the clips here, and I'm gonna put also some of the clips the accident Tanga and some drone shots as well, and some witnesses vakaona accident from DJ Ola 7. So you guys, ndinokutenda ine kutsigirawo kwamurikuita nekuona kwamurikuita. The drivers, they need to be very very extra careful when driving in the roads. And I mean, tell me down in the comment section what you all think about this SEKE road. In Amafungara, maybe they need to close it, or they need to put some speed humps. They need to be very extra careful with that road. Maybe putting some speed cameras. Like I mean, some speed camera kuna Bishop Gao do sangu rotoro. It's not even necessary to put a speed camera there. If they put it in Muna SEKE road, I think it will be better. And also it needs some street lights, because at night, like, it's really really dark. It's like really dark. And also they need to take really actions against my drivers and the reckless driving, the likes of drinking and driving, the likes of overtaking, the likes of speeding. They really need to do something about that, because Vakasadaro will keep on dying, will keep on facing different types of problems each and every day. So I bet guys, I don't know, there's no copyright in the background. I don't want to keep on saying much because I mean I'm so busy, but yeah. Anyways guys, I bet guys, thank you for watching the vlog until the end. If it's the first time, please make sure you like, you hit the subscribe button, you comment, you share, and you subscribe, so that I'll keep on giving you more updates. I'll keep on giving you each and every information that you need, guys. I want to go everywhere. I want to go beyond the borders. I want to kushika kwese kunonza kushikike, so that I will give you updates. The last time I went to, what do you call it, to Dr. Oliver Mutukuzi's grave, and there are other people that were sending my comments akadakwa. There are some people vaitaura my comments are negative vachitaura zvisina basa. Iyama yako here, wazoenderei chikoko, wazina neuyende, do you know it's a crime, this and that. Guys, I am a content creator. I will give you each and every content that I say kuti you have to know it, or each and every necessary content inokupai. Ndototanga kutovhista content I think you all wanna see content celebrities, and makove celebrities enyu vakashaika vese vakatisiya vanani vese. I will go there, guys, and I will show you. I'm gonna do a video rakasiyana-siyana chikuratidza apa ndopakavigwa nhingi, this and that. I will give you information you're gonna share. Guys, ndokutendera kutsikira kwavandita. We now on 11,000 followers, which is not easy. Subscribers, we are going to 12,000. So I just want to thank you, man, for your love and support. If there's any info or kwaitika nyaya kwamudonduye kuko kwa kune nyaya dzeuroi dzaitika dzisiti kudzifambira, kwa kune end.com rese raitika tikudzifambira, chese chine chongoita chingade kuferefetwa kana kutepwa is just a one call away. Munotibata panhamba dziri pascreen dzaka WhatsApp, motiudza kuti kwakati kwaitika nyaya kati nguva dzakati, tinotosvika ikoko pasina kana maminutes. Guys, I just want to thank you for your love and support. Please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. It's your boy Praise, signing out.